clear Outlook cache, so first you have to go to your search button right here. So you just have to type in %app data and %. So click this folder. After that, a lot of options will appear here. So you just have to find the Microsoft folder. Click on that one. Next is you have to look for the Outlook folder and just open this folder. And there you have to select or highlight all these files inside the Outlook folder, and you just have to click this delete button right here, and there you have it. So by deleting these items, Microsoft Outlook will try to update, and this is how to clear Outlook cache. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you.